Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Minetom 3.44 feet trunk or treat car decorations kit. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Powerful functions. The trunk or treat car decorations kit is made of polyester material and high-quality stitching technology, which improves the durability, tear resistance, and airtightness of the product. The latest high-quality blowers take only 35 seconds to inflate quickly and ensure no collapse or leakage after inflation. Bright LED illumination. The 4 built-in LED lights will bring a bright and glamorous glow to your Halloween display, making this trunk or treat inflatable great for both daytime and nighttime. Fill the pumpkin with candy to add fun to your Halloween outdoor events and parties. Easy use and storage. The trunk or treat inflatable car decorations kit comes with a 12/24 volt car plug that connects directly to your vehicle's cigarette lighter. It includes tethers to secure it to the car's support bar or any stable point, making installation quick and easy. When Halloween is over, simply deflate and store it compactly until next year. Durable premium quality materials. This dinosaur trunk or treat is made of high-quality IP44 waterproof material, which can withstand outdoor conditions such as light rain and high winds. It has also been thoroughly and rigorously tested to meet the highest safety standards and can be used with confidence. This Halloween trunk decoration is designed to fit most vehicle models, from sedans to SUVs and trucks. It can be used not only as a trunk decoration but also to enhance outdoor Halloween displays, suitable for parties, courtyards, outdoor spaces, gardens, and Halloween events. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.